That's why criminal like one baby virgin and Elijah are deceiving your people, giving you 100 days fast to pray. To pray to get to wear better clothes and drive better cars. You know that thing. And to fight your enemy. Who is your enemy? Your uncles. They have manipulated you to believe that your enemies are your uncle. And you have forgotten that you are someone's nephew as well. You are someone's uncle. You are someone's aunt. You are also their enemy. They also see you as enemy. Now your uncle that I counter kidney failure, you pray now. You go to money mass, you go to adoration, you go to one baby virgin, you go to Zion, you go to adoration, you go everywhere. Anything happen. The person know that. You know why these religious people are wicked? They will be selling pure water, can water, doing cool business. But you are here praying. You are here praying. The same Jesus told you to forgive your fellow brother 70 times 70. That is when European cripple your brain of sense of reason. You should forgive, but there is no forgiveness today in the Western world. In time of our answer, there is nothing like forgiveness. If you commit a crime, you pay for the consequences. You receive the consequences immediately. The same thing happening today in the Western world. If you commit a crime today in the Western world, they don't know what forgiveness is all about. Look at the whole Ike. He's in detention. He's in prison in UK for over 3 years now. True or false? But if it is in Nigeria, they'll say forgive him. Forgiveness is everything has procedure. But they taught you about forgiveness. Do they forgive you and give you free visa? Even after you have landed in their airport and they notice that you are with a fake visa, they still return you back. Did they forgive you? Did they forgive you by giving you what you're supposed to have today in Europe as somebody that does not have documents? Did they forgive you? The answer is no. Did they give you what they're supposed to give you in Europe today as somebody that does not have documents? Did they forgive you? They never. You must do everything humanly possible to have their documents before you have some access to so many things in the Western world. They deported you. Did they forgive you? But they asked you to forgive 70 times 70. 70 times 70. Bishop offended their church. Here in Oka. Oka diocese here, their bishop. They sold their land. I can't go behave. And they wrote a petition. Can use EFCC. Detain their bishop. Their bishop is under detention. They manipulate you to believe that during traditional marriage that people sense poison inside the wine, inside the palm wine. The same people refuse to manipulate you that during church service that people send poison inside the Holy Communion. I call it evil communion biscuit. Oh, one number, is this not clear? For you to know that Christianity came to destroy you, kill and destroy. Bible God is a king. Sent newborn babies in Egypt, as they claim in the Bible. Satan killed nobody from Genesis to Revelation. What are the reasons why he killed the firstborn of Egypt? Story. Bible said that God will say, told Moses that he will harden the heart of Pharaoh, not allow Egypt to go. Underline that word, that he will harden the heart of Pharaoh. Underline it. God himself said he will harden the heart of what? Pharaoh. Now, God went ahead and hardened the heart of Pharaoh. Pharaoh now obeyed God's instruction. Pharaoh is innocent. God is a criminal. That's why God is a thief. And that is why he has poisoned your brain. That is why you will die like a fowl tomorrow out of sickness. Because the sickness that will hit you tomorrow out of your sin, instead of going to proper medical check, you say it is poison. Going from one church to another, you die like a moron. Before the US Reverend Father will come to bury you, he charge you money. Because it's the only money today. The only thing that makes every living human being today to live well anywhere in the world is money. The only problem you have today is money. The only problem today you have to be fine to live well as a human being is money. The problem that our rich men cannot come here without escort is because of money. The reason why your big Kubana cannot move now in the street of furniture without escort is because of what? Money. And it's a very big problem to him. That you cannot walk freely in your land. Because of what? Money. Because if everybody has that money, nobody will be after him. The reason why your daddy, your mother, or your sister was kidnapped is because of money. The only thing you need to be made whole on this earth is money. What you need to live a good life is money. Long life and prosperity, money. They will say, yeah, that money cannot buy life. Who told you? We use money to buy life every day, on a daily basis. Don't you use money to drink water? So the water you are drinking, you don't buy it with money. You did not purchase it with money, right? Don't drink. Well, science said that if you did not drink water for 7 days, you know what will happen to you, right? You know what teach them? The food he ate this night, so he didn't buy it. He didn't bought it with money. But the food he ate this night, today, he didn't bought it with money, right? Money. Your last child that was sick, you didn't take the pay money in the hospital to treat the baby. You didn't. The security man today that are guiding you where you are living right now, you are not paying them money with money. You are not. The church and our again. The money is the root of our evil. Everything about church and Jesus is money. From Bible, they sell them to you. Word of God, you must sell them. Before you become a reverend father, your family must be a wealthy family. You spend millions in what is those schools that reverend father used to attend. Seminary school. You spend millions in seminary school. Nollywood. That is the story that the black man want to hear. Pharaoh now throw his stick. Bagam. The stick. Turn on this French. Stick. Turn and become fresh to snake. Become flesh. And the stick instantly have a blood, moving system, heartbeat, everything that can make a snake to move. Stick turn immediately. That is when they are into you to believe in miracle, to believe in something that is impossible. That is why it is impossible for you to use prayer to change your country. And people that does not pray changes their country with common sense every day. Because the common sense will tell you that this is fraud. I told you that 419 people does not have juju. It's only format. You that are doing Yahoo, you are being brainwashed by native doctor. And juju they make you, they do Yahoo. If not that juju they make you, they do Yahoo, use that juju put for your profile picture. Where you use the chat person where the Yahoo. If that person reply you again, African people, why are you giving the honor that's supposed to belong to you to unseen something? When you make something happen, praise yourself. You did it. If you commit something that will lead you to jail today, my brother, you will go to jail. I swear. So if you make something good happen, praise yourself. Because if you commit anything that will lead you to jail, my brother, you must go to jail. But when a black man makes something great happen, he will thank Jesus. He has done for me. One of the most songs that Christians are singing, blackmailing their father, their mother that breastfeed them, their father that suffered and trained them in school, their ancestors that kept the land where they are living. This song I'm about to sing is one of the most used songs that rated Africa low today before the war. What are the songs? He has done for me. 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 All my mother cannot do. He has done for me. All my father cannot do. He has done for me. Jesus done for me. You say what your father cannot do? Are you kidding me? Your mother that carried it for 9 months. If you like, he will flush you. If your mother like, he will use hot water to kill. If your dad likes, he will not pay your school fees. You grew up. Instead of praising your mommy that breastfeed even inside the bus, in the market, anywhere. Our moms that defend us during the war slept inside bush for years in order to protect the race, in order to protect the generation. During the war. Now, Jesus has done to you what they have not done to you. But during the war, it is your dad and your mom that secured your generation today. Because if so many of our ancestors were killed during the war, this generation might have not existed today. You know that. Instead of praising them, you're not praising Jesus that he has done it for you. What your mother cannot do for you. You are crazy. Completely crazy. You know that. You are blind now. As you believe in prayer, you are blind. You are blind. You are praying. Who are you better than in Nigeria? You are praying, making noise. Are you not following me to use the same bad road? Are the NEPA not taking light in your house? Are you not paying school fees? Are you not buying fuels in fleet station the same price with me? Are you not changing dollar the same price with me? Are you not flying aeroplane while going to London the same thing with me? You love Nollywood things. That's why you're praying. Because prayer means Nollywood. Prayer is just like Nollywood. It's Nollywood. You are acting a movie. Sometimes video yourself while you are praying. Because while you are praying, your mind will be focusing on those things you want. If you are acting movie that time, you will be seeing your car coming. You'll be seeing your husband coming. Your husband, you'll be seeing house. Where you are building house. Oh Lord, I need house. And you are making movie that time. If they open your common sense of brain reasoning, you will see that you are just making movie. Those things doesn't come that way. Now Moses came. Pharaoh threw a snake, a stick. stick turned to flesh. It started have a blood, moving system, and a heartbeat. Start turning. Then the snake did not rush and bite Moses. Moses was just standing watching snake. If now you go stand, we got pia the eggs. Be an office must nearly poison. Only bury them with stomach ulcer. No matter fast. You bury we cocoa wagis. Mamugo. Pharaoh snake rose up. Start doing this to Moses. Moses now say, "Oh, hello, my father. Ah." Moses now threw his own stick now turned to snake, 2 cobras. And one apple. 2 cobras. Begin to fight each other. Chum. Pharaoh's stick will now fight. That have turned to snake. Will now bite Moses' own. Chum. Moses' own will bite him. Bum. Before Moses' own open mouth. Oh, and swallow Pharaoh's own. He has suffer. Now, why Moses is suffering that suffering is because of me and you in Nigeria today to live in this condition. This is why Moses they suffer. Moses work out 40 days and 40 and make me and you die abroad. They clean Oyibo. Make our youth full for prison without doing anything. Nobody's asking of them. Nobody's asking after them. Now, this is why Moses suffering from me and you to get Tinubu as president and Buhari as president. That is why, the whole suffering where Moses don't suffer. Work out for this for 40 days, 40 years. That is the why. The reason why Moses suffer will pass through all this is so that me and you will be killed by Boko Haram, so that our train moving us from one state to another will be bombed by the hoodlums, by the terrorists. That is the reason why Moses was suffering. That is why Moses was suffering in desert. The reason why thousands of Israelites died in desert because of snake bite is because of me and you, so that we live in Nigeria. There is no. Now God killed the whole firstborn of Egypt because of Pharaoh obeyed God's instruction. The same God knows that Bible. What is the name of this man that Bible said that all his cattle died, the wife died, the whole children, God killed all the whole children. Job. God, you created Job, as Bible says. God, now you be Job, because a black man, you create him. You question nature. You got me here. You make me happy. You crazy. You make it not bad matter. You joy happy. You might go to crazy, brother. You crazy, give you an Nigeria, Hobiana, the various Europe and in our Nigerians. When you believe, no criminals. Me money if with you. I will destroy your people. I have destroyed Christianity with the truth in your land. They brainwash you to do white with them. For what reason? They manipulate you to believe that there are devils in your in-laws house that vokes charm into your traditional palm wine cup. The same people refuse to brainwash you that in the same village that there is evil people who have also voked poison inside blessed sacrament, blessed what they call it, that's evil chameleon that they used to take, or including the ring. There is no spiritual, nobody can voke poison inside ring. Okay, they don't finish. Get jazz as a chaplain. Bible said that all the whole livestock of Egyptian died. The same Bible went ahead and told us that when the Israelites want to cross the sea, at the middle of the sea, God now instructed Pharaoh instructed the Egyptian warriors to go and chase to capture Israelites back again under God's instruction. And the Bible recommended that they moved with 600 chariots. That they moved with 600 chariots. And that 600 chariots, where did they borrow it? Did they hire it from Nigeria or Uganda? Because they told us that all the whole livestock in Israel was killed. The whole, none remained. Now the 600 chariots, which they used to chase after Israelites again, where did they borrow it? They know you don't have brain. You don't. A religion that told you not to ask questions. You have not seen. Father, now one man no. You have not seen man. Yeah. Where did they borrow the 600 child? You guys crazy, don't answer question. No need to the fight. Once we hit, you guys started with the truth. You started fighting. That's why criminal like one baby virgin and Elijah are deceiving your people. Giving you 100 days fast to pray. To pray to get you to wear better clothes and drive better cars. You know that thing. And to fight your enemy. Who is your enemy? Your uncles. They have manipulated you to believe that your enemies are your uncle. And you have forgotten that you are someone's nephew as well. You are someone's uncle. You are someone's aunt. You are also their enemy. They also see you as enemy. Empty brain of African man. Prayer. You want everything free through vocal sound. Through vocal sound. Your pastor pack your money. Purchase 10 private jets. Build expensive school that your children cannot afford. You still don't know that you don't have brain. Because you believe that God killed all the whole livestock in Egypt. And after some hour, they sent Egypt to use 600 chariots to chase Israelites. Where did they borrow the 600 chariots? Oh, those chariots alone, are they not among the livestock in Egypt? They will of you. Now your uncle that I counter kidney failure, you pray now. You go to money mass, you go to adoration, you go to one baby virgin, you go to Zion, you go to adoration, you go everywhere. Anything happen. The person know that. Water. You know why these religious people are wicked? They will be selling pure water. Can water, doing cool business. After brainwashing these people, they will manipulate them to go and purchase to practical purchase their product. You see them carrying can waters. Okay, your Baba criminal don't make profit from you. Now that is pure business. You patronize him practical. Now you carry the water, they go home for miracle. Oh. Your pastor does not know any miracle. That is why they work hard to scam you. That's why they print recharge card, they print miracle hanky, they print miracle sticker, they print miracle polo, they build hotels where you will lodge for 2 weeks before you could see your pastor. Before then, they have exhausted every money in your pocket. That's the hitting you had that. Slave master doesn't mercy for their slaves. Go and ask question. They keep on hitting you hard every day. Moses divided the Red Sea with his stick. Red Sea that is bigger than River Niger. Power! Tower! Religious mindset is dangerous, so do Chukwu and Mecca. More than dangerous is a disease. When you do something with them, you see that they are evil. Because they are always awake to fight Satan. Any single mistake with them, Satan. Any single movement, you don't become Satan. They don't kabash you. Don't hate you. They don't use you as Satan. HNS no kicker they can own. No kicker on over the Oka. Also, no Kuno. Not that what and Europe as evil. Not that paper in England as winch. No, Africa on a season now. We kick on the canoe. Moses now divide the sea. Tawawa. Nollywood. Sofian Wezibo. Or Sofian the with the map. And watching us and movie about Nollywood. That time we be see for Sophia won't go do something. You go to do like this, you go to hear that's the sound that the movie will be making. Sophia will be doing like this. That is what a black man, brain of a black man has formatted into movie. Some of Sophia movie, that is what Moses acted in Red Sea. When Moses was about to struck the Red Sea, you'll be hearing that sound. In the imagination of a black man, they'll be hearing or they'll be hearing a voice in heaven, my son, I command you to set this sea. You're free. Not your teacher, you're free. The same way they taught you miracles in the Bible, why can't them give you a manual, a systematic book that will force you to know how this phone is being produced? Threaten your life that if you don't learn it, you are going to hell as well. But they threaten you if you don't believe in all these lies and all these lies that the Bible are saying, you will go to hell. They threatened you. When you open your Bible, I burnt my Bible 4 years ago. Since then, my door open. So I burnt my Bible to ashes. My door open. More wisdom start coming in. More money, more upliftment, more progress, more children. Everything became new in my life. Because once you burn down religion in your brain, you will never know about Satan anymore. A reverend father, a 16-year-old boy with one passion in Imo State during December last year when they were shooting lockout. A guy that came to church just because the guy was shooting lockout. You come, fire the boy on the edge. A 16-year-old boy, and the child died. Did the village protest? No. Did they burn down the church? No, because the house of God, slavery house.